Are you saying the or the? Most students get this wrong, but it's actually very simple. Welcome to Matrix English. Rule number 1. We say the before a consonant sound. Listen closely. The book, the car, the teacher. Rule number 2. We say the before a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U. For example, the apple, the orange, the elephant. But wait, here's the trick. It depends on the sound, not the letter. Look at these two. The university. We say the because university starts with a voice sound. The owl. We say the because the H is silent and it starts with a vowel sound. Now it's your turn. How do you pronounce this word? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Matrix English for more. Thank you.